veteran in media. I work in television. I'm a licensed radio broadcaster. I'm a newsman. But basically, I'm an artist. I finished fine arts from the university. All these are kind of part of my life as a multimedia artist. I also taught in college. So the editors of those two newspapers, Midlands, were my former students. So all these are kind of part of my life. I have produced films when we were still using 8mm and 16mm, those kind of cameras. So it's really good. It's analog. It's film.
It's real.
And of course, I was involved with cinema. I was a committee member of the National Committee, Commission for Cultural Arts. So I have blackboards, anything that you ask about media, and I can answer it probably. All this has a component of what I call the four horsemen of the information superhighway. Probably you first time to hear that. Alexander Graham Bell. Telephone. Morse code. Of course, Samuel F.B. Morse. Second horseman. The codes that did that communication. And it's the classic example of digital technology, digital 1010 binary codes. So Thomas Alva Edison, cinema, film, and the fourth horseman is Guglielmo Marconi, radio. There, with the radio communications. So it's wireless telephony, wireless radio communications. So it's all here. But it's just a map display of what I have. I have more collections. So my studio is near the University of Baguio. People can visit, but I can only accommodate as many as 10 or a dozen because my space is, very cramped nowadays. I have a lot of collections, so I discourage people. So that's it. Anything that you want to ask?
When did you start your job? When did you start your career?
With Imagineering?
When did you start since the imagination?
Well, as I said, I've been involved in communication or mass media as early as 1983. I finished college in 1982. I took up fine arts, but then I cannot live with arts alone. So I had to look for a job. I started as a news photographer, and then television news editor. 1986, the EDSA revolution broke in the Philippines. They ousted the president. That's the first Marcos president. And so I lost my job because I was working there. I went home. I started. I applied for a job with the National Media Production Center, NMPC, that later became the Philippine Information Agency. That's why I've been involved in print, radio, television. That's what. And I became an information officer of a government office. Aside from the Philippine Information Agency, I work as a trade media specialist. That's why I'm also involved with trade promotions. It's what we do, like promoting products. Cordillera coffee, we produce. That's why I'm not a barista, but I know how to concoct espresso, mocha, things like that. But as a newsman, we do not foam our milk and add to our coffee. We drink straight coffee, black.
How's your artist?
My art?
Yeah. How they come together.
If you ask me, I have to tighten my belt. I couldn't live with art alone. That's why I work with government. With art, I'm still managing. This is my this is my work. I do painting. I also do sculpture from time to time. That's my work. Watercolor. I did it for maybe 1 hour. 1 hour work. Inspire me. Tell you frankly, we were involved with a recycling business. We had a junk shop. We buy scrap materials and sell it in Manila. Plastic bottles, waste carton boards, and I gathered a lot. You know, I have accumulated. I have collected trash, junk. So the word upcycling and recycling came about. So that's how I do not dispose, I do not discard my camera, I collect. I've used typewriters there. Before, of course, before computer, I used typewriters. But I was very young when Steve Jobs produced the Macintosh, the first Mac. You know, I was probably in my elementary days, 1970s. Well, I'm now using laptop. So it's a progression of what I do as a media. Our old camera, but this is already kind of Jurassic, 20 years old now. In fact, the battery is not giving any power anymore. Because cell phone gives a better quality than this. This time around. This has 4K or 8K. This is iPhone 14 only. And now we have 15, we have 16. What's that? Okay. I also taught in college back in 2011 or 2010. One of my Korean students asked me, "Sir, can I use cell phone to produce a video program?" I said, "Why not?" Because they used to use analog cameras like this. But in 2009, there's a film submitted to Sundance Film Festival. It's iPhone 9, iPhone 7. So why not? Why? It's all very handy. All this.
Can I ask the challenges that you have faced?
Huh?
Can I ask the challenges that you have faced ever since you started?
Challenges
Yeah.
as
The
a
challenges as a media platform. In all the areas of